Hey guys, welcome to my channel Art and Craft Master. So here today we're going to be doing thread art. So this is one of the thread arts which I made. You can make a lot of designs. So I'll show you how to do it. So for doing thread art, the needed items are thread, of course, brush, of course, paint, and 2 A4 size sheets. So first take one A4 size sheet and line up the thread so that we can paint over it, just like this. So after that you can take any colors you want. I'm using blue, yellow and red. So and it can be in any order. So I'm gonna do first blue, now you can keep it all aside, the paint, everything else. Keep this aside, and now take a new A4 size sheet. So I've taken this, fold it into half, and then unfold it. Now take your thread, line it up in any shape you want. I'm just going to do it like this. So then fold it back, press the thread properly and pull the thread slowly out of the fold. And now unfold it. Here's the thread art. So I have also made few other thread arts. You can use any color you want. That's it, guys. You can make these type of designs, different designs, by aligning the thread in different directions and different shapes. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks. Goodbye.